I was studying and saw a snake slither behind that bag over there. What do I do? Ah!
This is a test.
Crap!
The following is a test of a new emergency alert system.
Oh, it's that EAS! It's that EAS! Nope! My legs! Help! Somebody help! Please! Stop recording! Oh, I won't stop recording! Please, I need to call. Just. Okay. Something bad will happen soon. Stop posting about Slicer. Stop. Just stop posting about Slicer! Come on, figure it out! Stop posting! Hey everyone, still alive. When I smashed my old phone against the asphalt, I guess I effectively stopped posting about Slicer, because both those things just disappeared. I recognized the Slicer meme. Can't get new legs, though. This is how I'll be riding for a while, since both my Achilles tendons were cut. Gonna be a long recovery. It's been a few weeks, but I don't like staying in this house anymore. I keep having...